Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to send videos on Gmail. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Gmail application, so I have logged in with my Gmail account. So while I am going to attach the file, I'm going to send a video file to my teachers or my friends for the project or any other purpose. I need to click compose. Here you will find an option called compose. Just hit the button compose and you can give the email ID of whom you are going to send. On top you will find an option called clip button, that is file clip button, that is called for an attachment. Just hit the button attachment. It will ask you two options, one is attach file and one is insert from drive. I just attach the file because Google will support till 25 MB, so it will direct you to your mobile phone. So you can click recent or you can click image and videos. Whether your mobile phone has the video means you can attach the video, otherwise you can copy the video from your computer or anywhere else and you can attach from your email. I just select my video and I just select whatever video I want. So once I click select means my video will be attached over here in my Gmail account, from my account, and to whom you are going to send, and give you a subject. So whatever subject you can give. So for example, this is given for the assignment project video or anything else you can give, and compose your mail. So please find the attachment and I can send the file. So within a few seconds my mail will be sent to the particular person. So till 25 MB file you can send through email, that is your Gmail account. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.